Let's give them something to smile about. Dr. Andrea Joy Smith is helping her patients feel confident with her dental treatment services, and she joins us to talk about it. Welcome, Dr. Andrea Joy Smith.
Hi, Desiree. How are you this
We're
morning?
doing good. I wanted to ask you, Dr. Smith, how long have dental implants been in widespread use now?
Dental implants have been in widespread use since the late 70s, early 80s, but small diameter one piece implants, as I use them in my office, for the last 20 to 25 years have been in widespread use to treat patients who have been told that they were not candidates for dental implants at all.
Wow. And I mean, we've been talking to you for years now. What makes you so passionate about mini dental implants?
I'm passionate about these types of implants because it allows me to help patients who were told they were not candidates for dental implants and they had to suffer for years and years with loose dentures or missing teeth because they didn't have enough bone to accommodate the larger, more conventional type implantology. So, whenever I can solve a problem in dentistry, I am so passionate about being able to do so.
And I'm sure your patients appreciate that. So, can you break it down for us, for our viewers, what mini dental implants are and the benefits of them?
Yeah, the benefit is that we can place them the same day. We simply are able to use four small diameter implants, and we can, on the same day, stabilize the denture. We don't have to do a lot of surgery, there's not a lot of cutting. We simply go through the gum tissue, place the small implants, and we snap the denture in place on the same day. And for those patients that are just missing a few teeth on one side, we don't have to do two or three surgeries. We place the implants on one day, and in a few short months after the implants have integrated into the bone, we can put it in a small bridge to replace a few teeth as well. So that is much simpler procedure than conventional implantology, although both procedures work very, very well. But some patients are sort of medically compromised and they may not be able to undergo several surgeries. So when we can do things in a more immediate and simpler fashion, it's a win-win for everyone.
Yeah, it sounds like a quicker process. And you've been doing this for quite some time. How long have you offered mini dental implants to your patients?
For a little over 15 years now, back in 2007, I learned about the procedure because I was actually on a quest to find a solution for a patient that I had recently made a lower denture for. And I had done a full mouth reconstruction, and the upper appliance and bridge work was working just fine. But the lower denture, she basically did not wear it. She refused to leave the house because it did not fit, and her lower teeth were really not restorable, and we had to actually extract all of them. And what she told me was, I wish that I had not extracted my lower teeth
Oh.
when there was really no other option.
Hmm.
And so I was on a quest to find a solution for her, and I did. So that was about 15 years ago, and from there I've placed well over 7,000 of these small diameter one piece implants, and I've helped so many patients in the process.
Wow. And speaking of your patients, we have a video of a very happy patient after receiving dental implant treatment. Let's take a listen.
I just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in third, fourth, fifth grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
Wow. You can see the transformation. How does that make you feel, Dr. Smith, to hear that from a patient of yours?
My team and I, we live for patients like that. We like to see those life changing moments every single day in our office. It makes us feel good inside and out.
That is great. Dr. Smith, always a pleasure having you on the show. I'm going to let our viewers know where they can get more information from you to connect with Dr. Andrea Joy Smith about your dental needs. Visit smileagainnow.com.